Good morning. This is Larry McMillan with a stock market update on Monday, August 14th. So the S&P index last week continued its pullback, and on Friday morning it reached all the way down to 44.30, 44.40, that area, where it closed the gaps that we've been talking about on the S&P chart. So that's a touch of support, and there should be a little bounce off of here. Below this, there's support at 43.30. That's the really crucial one. If that were to give way, then we'd have a much more bearish environment on our hands. We have a set of mixed signals, as you'll see, at the current time. So even though it did pull back that far, it did not pull back to the -4 standard deviation modified Bollinger Band, which was completed one of our sell signals. That's the McMillan Volatility Band sell signal. But the S&P chart itself is still bullish. It's still in an uptrend, and so for that reason, we are still holding a core bullish position, although we are trading these others around it. The equity-only put-call ratios continue to move higher. They remain on sell signals. Breadth has remained modestly negative, although on Friday it was a little bit better than the market, actually. But the breadth oscillators are still on sell signals at this time. They are very short-term indicators and could flip quickly, but right now they're still on sell signals. New York Stock Exchange new highs barely edged out new lows on Friday, but they did, so that buy signal is still intact. It's shown some wear and tear, I guess you'd say, recently, losing some of its momentum. But so far, new highs are still outnumbering new lows, even if it's just by a small number now. So one new signal we did get was a VIX spike peak buy signal. VIX spiked up during the week and then fell back on Friday. It's typical for a VIX to close on its lows on Friday afternoon with the weekend coming up. And this weekend was no exception. And so VIX did generate that buy signal. There's one caveat, that is, it's coming from a very low spot on the VIX chart, basically the yearly low. And so that's a bit of a cautionary sign, but we can't really pick and choose the signals to take if we're going to use systems. And so this system did just generate a buy signal. As far as the trend of VIX, that's still bullish. The construct of VIX derivatives, those are still bullish as well. So overall, we're maintaining our core bullish position. We do have a few of those sell signals in there, so we have traded some bearish spreads around those. But we also hold some other bullish spreads in line with the more positive indicators. So this will eventually sort itself out completely, and we use stops on all these systems. So there's not a great risk on any one of our trades. And I invite you to visit our website, take a look at our daily letters, and meanwhile, have a great week trading.